This is a super simple tutorial that will walk you through how to create a basic poncho with just 1 yard of fabric. It works best with something cozy like flannel, but you can use a variety of kind of medium weight fabrics for this. You can download the free pattern for this if you follow the link in the description below, but also if you just want to work with 1 yard of fabric, that will work fine. You don't actually need a pattern for this, it's just helpful. With right sides together, sew the poncho along 2 adjacent sides. You want to leave 10 inches unsewn on the corner where these 2 edges meet. That's going to make the neckline. After sewing, you can make felled seams here if you want. You can finish your seams however you like, but I like to turn the seam allowance in and make a felled seam because it is a neater finish and it's more durable overall. Next, you want to hem the neck flap triangles on both sides. Clip the seam allowance next to the sewn seams and hem the triangles along the neckline to prevent fraying. Once you do that, all you have to do is hem the poncho. Hem the bottom edge of the poncho with a double fold seam. If you like how the selvage edge of your poncho works, you actually don't even need to hem that part. For example, my fabric has this mini fringe along the edge that I kind of like the look of, so I kept that in place. And you are already finished. You have a super easy 1 yard poncho.